Descaling a dishwasher. Always wear the appropriate protective equipment before descaling. Begin by turning off the detergent dispenser, draining the machine completely, and closing the drain valve. Refill the machine to run one full cycle and then drain again. To clean, measure out our descaler into a cup and pour into the water tanks. Run the machine for 15 minutes or longer if there is significant build-up. Remember to turn off the machine and then drain completely to finish. Your dishwasher is now fully descaled and ready for optimal performance. This regular maintenance will help extend its lifespan.